We don't have to be there all the time, right? So maybe once a quarter, something like this is what he does. Weeks, and their buy box is, oh, I have 100 grand, and I'm going to have to go to a bank and get a loan, and I'm expecting to buy like the perfect storage facility for that, and I want it to be like within driving distance of my house. Okay. And the truth of the matter is that is few and far between. Few and far between. Okay. Rarely in the next couple of years are you be able to find something like this. Let's make our buy box bigger. Okay. The next thing, buy box here. Okay. The next thing with the buy box, all right, as I already brought it up, is location. Location. Okay. Gone are the days where you need to have a facility right around the corner from where you live. Okay. This is not something that you need to do. In fact, we just spent 2 days because I had a 2-day boot camp with my students. And we went over like it was the management boot camp inside in the coaching program, and we spent 2 full days going over how we automate everything so that we don't have to be there. All right, so remember that we have 16 facilities: Tennessee, Georgia, and Florida. Okay. We live in Florida. We live in Tallahassee. And my husband, I mean, he travels, he does go and check on all the facilities. We have boots on the ground people that manage our facilities. And then, for instance, like one of our facilities right now, we're laying gravel, right? We're getting all new gravel. So Pete's there managing that, right? But so yeah, he has to go to the facilities every once in a while. But like, we don't have to be there all the time, right? So maybe once a quarter, something like this is what he does. Okay, so I want to make sure that your location is not, within now. I used to teach like your first deal should be within 2 hours of you, right? But this was back in the day when there was like a plethora of storage facilities out there. Okay, there's not a plethora of storage facilities out there anymore that are available to purchase, and they're available for you to purchase like within the terms of like what's being offered right now. Okay, so I'm telling you that what COVID was a blessing in disguise for the storage industry, because everything went remote. We were already remote beforehand, but everything went remote. There's no reason for you to have to be at your facility all of the time. In fact, when you go to the storage facility, like, what do? You're there like maybe to go fix a gate and then you leave, or you're there to, overlock and then you leave, and you only have to do that like, once a month. Okay. So you don't have to be next to your facility. So I want you to make your location of your buy box bigger, so that you have more of a chance to find something closer to you. I mean, not sorry, closer to you. More find something that you can buy within the money that you have to buy, right? Now, obviously, if you got like, $1 million to spend, you can do whatever you want, right? But most of us, we have 50, 100, 200, maybe 300 grand. Typically, I would say 80% of everybody that I talk to, and I talk to a ridiculous amount of people about storage, they all have $50 to $200,000. Okay. All right. So, okay. So let's put location, right? Let's put location. Buy box. Let's put it down here. Number 4, buy box location. The more open you are to looking at deals across the entire country, the more of a chance that you will be able to find something to buy. Okay. Now, I was going to say, okay, so now what's really good, what I'm saying is that I said, look at deals across the country. That doesn't mean that you have to buy that deal in that area, but the more deals that you are looking at and like running numbers on and stuff, the more of a chance that you're going to become aware of what types of deals are available out there right now, right? So, for instance, like we have about $75 million in offers out right now. And we're in like almost every state. We're in at least, probably, I would say at least 20, 25 states that, we have offers out on. We're looking at a lot of other states, but we've got about 20, 25 states that we have offers in. Okay, so and like, because I see so many different offers across so many different states, I am becoming very aware of what is out there for sale. And also I'm becoming very aware of like what the owners are asking or looking for or wanting. Right now, I'm not going to buy all these facilities, and we're just putting offers in all around the country. And a lot of times the offers and the price of the owner don't match. But every offer that I put in, every deal that I look at helps me to become more aware of how the market is turning and what is happening in the market. So when I say in terms of let's make your buy box as big as possible, what I also mean is that you need to become more aware of properties that are available and what the owners are looking for, right? In terms of working with you. Okay. All right. So I want you to just become aware of all of the deals that are out there. Okay. Aware of what deals look like right now. Hey everybody, this is Stacy here. Thank you so much for watching this video. I am here to teach you how to get your foot into this industry. You're watching this video because you want to learn how to get started in self-storage investing, or maybe you own facilities and you want to be a better manager, a better owner. That is what I do, is I teach people how to do that. So please like this video and also subscribe, hit the subscribe button, because that's what YouTube wants. So in order for me to get out the word on how to get started in this industry, I really need your help. Again, I appreciate you listening to me, and I'm here to help you on this journey, and I will see you in the next video. Take care.